Oh my god, alright. We're playing White Noise. This is a scary game with Zach.
Where are you?
I'm pretty scared now. I'm right here.
Oh. Dude, my freaking...
Find all the recorders.
My mouse sensitivity is so slow.
Dude, this is getting on my nerves. Like, okay.
I have
Alright,
to
we gotta
drag
find
my
the
mouse.
recorders. What is this? I'm just gonna look at a flashlight so I can have some light now.
Wait, Logan, wait. You're going so much faster than me.
Shift. Where'd you go? Okay. Alright. Let's go.
We need to find the recorders.
Find the recorders. The recorders. The tapes. Let's find the tapes, dude. Have you seen any game? I've seen one video of gameplay of this.
I think I saw a scene in it.
I saw, Sexy Zach. Yeah, I haven't seen this map, though. Oh, God.
There's probably something in this general area. Dude, my freaking mouse speed's so slow.
Really, turn it up.
Yeah,
I don't even know. So it's just like Slender. You have to just try to look around and find tapes and stuff. Dude, I'm stuck on something. What am I stuck on? Alright, let's go over here. Oh yeah, there's a trail right here. Follow the trail.
Wait.
Shift. Just shift right. Let's go. You look like Velma from freaking Scooby-Doo.
You look like in
Ow.
the other guy.
Yeah.
Blonde.
Whoa, there's a sign here. There's a sign. Alright, what's it say? Hold on, let's go.
I run super slow.
Okay. I gotta look at the other side.
Oh, there's like a windmill thing. Yeah, it's a windmill.
Where are the signs don't have anything on it? Okay, it's just... Alright. Whoa, that's scary. That's scary.
Where...
Dude, do you hear that? Oh, it's like static. Move, move.
Oh, there's something close.
This is...
Close to one.
What?
Oh, here's one. Found one.
Oh god, we got one. We got one. Sweet. That's what that noise was. The scary noise is playing. Alright, let's go, let's go.
Yeah.
Are you following me?
Yep. It starts.
Something else. Alright, let's go. Dude, I'm scared.
Oh my. Look, how many frames are you getting?
Hmm?
How many frames are you getting?
420.
Getting freaking 30.
Oh, really?
Down high. Trash talk.
500, jeez. Dude, I'm scared. That music.
What really sound?
It's like, alright, let's just keep
Oh,
following
it's
the
trail.
trail. Yeah, let's just keep following.
Oh, Logan, I'm super slow. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Where you at? You're fine. Oh my god! Oh my god, run! Jesus! Run, 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 run,
Oh
run.
my god.
Dude, there's like a shed thing here.
There's probably a
He's right behind us! Dude, just keep running. Keep running.
I might
shift.
get caught.
Shift run. Shift.
Look at the static thing.
Okay, he's gone. He's gone. Ow. Huh?
Get static.
Oh, here's that. Dude, that thing came out of nowhere.
Hey, I don't see it anymore.
I'm scared. Oh my god. Okay, there's a big rock right here. Oh my god! Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. He just freaking...
Where are you going?
Where'd he go? He just flashed across my screen. He's right there. To our left. To our left. Run, 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 run.
I don't see him.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared.
Oh, I hear him.
Alright, let's just go.
Oh.
Okay, he's over there. He's over. We can't go.
Yeah, we're going over here.
Crap. Go, 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 go.
Oh
Oh my god, he's right there. Behind. Go, 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 go. Go behind, dude. Oh my god, that cough. Did you just cough? Oh, I thought you just coughed. I just heard something scary.
Oh, Logan, here's like a...
Where's he at, dude? Holy crap. Alright. Dude, we need to go back. There was like so much stuff back there.
Back later.
Oh, dude, cabin.
That? Go, run in, run in, run in, run in.
What if he's in here then?
Yeah, let's...
There's tape!
Get it, get it, get it.
I
Get
hear
the
it,
tape.
I hear it. I don't know where it's at.
There it is.
Where? 2. Alright, let's go.
Let's leave.
Let's go. Hurry up, dude. Oh my god, I'm scared. There's another cabin.
Okay. There's probably, I think there's probably must be.
It's over here, it like cuts off. Oh, it's water.
I hear it
Yeah.
behind us.
Oh my god, he's behind us. Yep. Keep on it.
Oh my god.
Okay, we can cross the water over here. Let's do it. Just shift, run, shift.
Well, dude, my character has super low stamina.
Really?
Yeah. Ah!
I hear it, dude. It's scary. Oh god, I'm missing. Dude, this is... Just look at the sky. Look how beautiful the sky is.
Hmm?
Look how beautiful the sky is.
What?
Look how beautiful the sky looks.
Yeah.
Dude.
That would be what's it called? A very nice. Oh.
I hear that. Do you hear that? Tape!
Tape!
Where's it at? Oh my god, he's right to our right! But the tape's here. I got the tape! I
Just
got it,
tape.
I got
Okay, we
it.
have tape.
No. Where you at?
Go left, turn left.
Follow the trail. Where's it at? Okay, we're fine. Dang, we got the tape. Okay.
3 tapes so far.
Okay. We have 5 more. Holy crap. Dude, okay,
5 more
we need to
tapes.
Alright, with more
Come on,
water,
man.
we can cross up here.
Oh, we can cross the thing over here.
Oh my god! To the left,
Where?
to the left. What is this?
What the? What
Oh,
the
we
heck?
gotta run away from that! Run!
What is that?
It's so... Oh god, run away from it.
I want to know what it is.
When my screen gets staticky when I look at it. Come on,
Yeah,
let's
me
just
too.
cross. Just cross the water. Oh, we can't. Dude, we can't cross. We can't cross the water.
What is that?
Dude, just cross. Okay, yeah, I don't think it's like, I don't know, it's just something else that we can't
I want to walk.
look
I
at.
want to go to it, dude.
No, we can't.
Huh?
We can't.
Ah!
What? It's another one! Holy crap! Okay. Okay, dude,
No,
up here.
he jump scared me.
Huh?
Guy jump scared me.
Alright, crap. I need my mouse. I need to turn my sensitivity up. Alright, just see if you hear his tape.
We're just here for a day.
Oh, yeah. Let's take it. Did you hear that? Oh, wait, oh, dude! Straight behind us. Just go straight. Just follow me. I hear him to the right.
My freaking flashlight. Oh.
Wait, does our flashlight run out of battery?
Look at my flashlight just ran out.
Wait, it runs out?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, okay, it's to the right. He's to our right. Just see. Holy crap.
So sorry.
Can we cross here? No. Oh, God. Oh, my God. He has us trapped. Dude, just run. Run straight. Follow me. Oh, my God. We gotta go.
Look, you're running so fast. I can't even catch up to you.
He has us cornered. We're stuck on the wall. We have to keep going. Oh, my God, dude.
Run so freaking fast. I can only keep up so much.
What was that? What was that? Did you hear that?
I don't even want to look behind me.
Alright, let's go. Can we cross the water up here?
I wonder why teens are like out here freaking going nowhere.
You hear that? Oh my god! Oh, behind us! Okay, we can cross the water.
This might.
Dude, my
Let's walk up.
flashlight is flashing.
I want to walk up to the green pole.
No, you're gonna die.
How do you know?
It goes static when you look at it.
So that could mean something.
What's it gonna do, huh? Give us magical flying powers?
Yes, right?
Come on. Let's go.
No, you don't know, right?
Dude, okay, more cabins. Oh my god, he's right behind you! Run right now! Oh my god! Oh my god! He is literally right behind you. Holy crap!
Can't pick the slowest here.
Dude, just sprint. My guy's freaking fast, dude. You'll never catch him.
So freaking fast.
Dude, sprint. Hold down shift.
I am. I run out so quick.
I haven't yet to run out. I'm just like, I just stop on my run. looks like the flashlight's like really small.
Very dimmer.
Oh my god, to our right, to our right, to our right.
What?
Sprint is to our right. Alright, just sprint.
Look, you're so freaking. Dude, it's so dim. Logan, wait, you're so fast.
You're fine. Give me the chicken. Okay, okay, big boulder. No, never mind, that's it. Okay, I'm on seeing things. Alright, left or right? Oh, what's this? Left, left. There's nooses here. A tape, a tape, a tape, a tape.
Get it. Why are there a bunch
Well, I can't get up there. I can't get up there. Can I jump? I can't even get up there. Dude, I'm stuck. I can't get up there. Move, move! Oh, God. Oh.
Ah!
Yeah, okay, we're fine, we're fine. Okay, go this way. We have 4 tapes, dude. Oh my god. Alright, let's just follow the trail. Okay, now the church bells are freaking ringing. That's not scary. Okay, we're fine, we're fine.
No, we're not. Look, I'm scared.
Shh, shh, shh.
I don't
I'm trying
know.
to see if I hear a tape. What is this? Oh, we've already been here.
Yeah, there is no static.
Dude, where is he at? I'm scared. I feel like okay, oh my god, yeah, I just saw him somewhere. I don't know where he is. Just go straight. He's behind us somewhere. Dude, my light is getting dim, dude.
I know, me too.
Oh, he's to our right.
Lay in the floor, just go to gave it.
Oh my god.
Dude, my light is so
Okay,
dim.
there's a pole. There's the tower thing here.
Ah!
What? What? Oh! He got you? He got you?
Yeah,
I'm the only one alive?
yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm just okay, yeah, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. He's like literally right there. He's literally right there. I can't run that fast.
I think I'm the ghost. I'm the monster.
Oh my god!
I'm the monster!
I'm a monster?
I didn't even touch you.
Dude. Dude. 12 minutes and 11 seconds. Holy crap, bro. That was scary.
Yellow War and paper.
Dang, I almost died like 40 seconds after you. Didn't feel like
Both
it.
on 2. Locked.
Oh my god. It's freaking terrifying. Screams, what?
Well, a replay.
Replay, what?
This. Oh, this is where we went.
Oh. Let's see where it went.
I know we circled around.
Okay, we got one right there. Yeah, there's one point where we did circle around. We ran into trouble there and there. We got a puzzle right there, though. Well, not a puzzle. Tape. Tape right there. Oh, we didn't even check, like, the whole right side of the map. Oh, wait, yeah, we did. Where'd you get caught at?
Oh, we
Oh, we just went in circles there. Dude, we just went in a circle there.
ran a huge.
Oh, man, that bottom part of the map, we didn't even check. Jeez.
I died somewhere.
I think you're about to die here.
Yeah, I don't know where. Oh, there, I died, and I'm chasing you. And I.
Screw it, and I die. Wow. Alright, that was the first episode of White Noise. See you guys
See you guys next
episode.